Good morning, students. Class 6. Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Okay. Lesson 6. The name of the lesson is MS Excel. Okay. So all of you turn page number 68. Okay, students. So let's start the explanation now. Page number 68. See, in page number 68, we are given a picture of a person. And what is the name of this person? The name of this person is Dan Bricklin. Okay, now let's read about him. Daniel Singer Dan Bricklin, often referred to as the father of the spreadsheet, is the American co-creator with Bob Frankston of the musical Spreadsheet program. He also founded Software Garden Incorporation, of which he is currently president, and Trellix Corporation, which is currently owned by Web.com. He currently serves as the Chief Technology Officer of Alpha Software. Okay, that means Daniel Singer Dan Bricklin, or in the short form we can say Dan Bricklin, is regarded as the father of the spreadsheet. Okay, now what is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a document that we prepare in a Microsoft Excel. Okay, that means whatever document that we make in the Microsoft Excel is regarded as your spreadsheet. Okay, and then Dan Bricklin is regarded as the father of the spreadsheet. Alright, okay, now let's move to the next page. Let's start with the introduction part. Okay. Alright, now in the first paragraph, that is the introduction. Okay, what is given here? When you buy anything from a shop or shopping mall, you get a bill, and usually this type of bills are in tabular form with rows and columns. Similarly, your annual report card, rate list of books are also in tabular form. These tables with rows and columns are called spreadsheets. Okay, see, in this paragraph, it is trying to tell us that whenever we purchase anything from a shopping mall, or whenever we buy anything from a shopping mall, we usually get a bill. Okay, just like in this Difu market also, whenever you buy anything from a shop or from a shopping mall, at the end you get a shopping bill, isn't it? Like in Vishal shopping mall also, when you purchase anything like clothes or some biscuits or whatever you purchase, then after that you have to go to the counter, right? You have to go to the counter, and then you have to show whatever things you have purchased, and then the counter, what will they do? They will print out the bill, like what items have you purchased and what will be the total cost of those things that you have purchased. That bill they will give you, isn't it? These bills are usually made from Microsoft Excel. Okay, and then they are arranged in a tabular form. Okay, that means whatever things that you have purchased in the shopping mall or from the shop, they will arrange all the items that you have purchased in Microsoft Excel, and they will take out the total amount that you have to pay. Alright, and then similarly our report card means our annual result, and then the list of books, etc. They are also given in a tabular form. Okay, just like in our mark sheet also, our mark sheet, like how many marks we have scored in each subjects, that numbers are also, or that marks are also arranged in a tabular form, isn't it? And they are arranged with the help of Microsoft Excel. Okay, and then the Microsoft Excel, they are made using rows and columns. Okay, using the rows and columns, the tables of Microsoft Excel are made. Alright, and then the rows and columns together are called your spreadsheets. Okay, now let's move to the next paragraph. What is given? A large sheet having data and arranged in rows and columns is known as a spreadsheet, and can be manipulated and used in calculation. Okay, see in this paragraph, the definition of spreadsheet is given. What is written? That a large sheet having data and arranged in rows and columns is known as a spreadsheet. Alright. Now what is a large sheet? See, a large sheet you can just refer to as a blank page. Okay, sheet means you can just understand it is a blank page. Alright. Now here it is written a large sheet having data. Now what is data? Data means whatever information that we are going to type in the Microsoft Excel is called your data. Okay, like name of the person and then the number, whatever you are going to enter. Okay, they are called your data. So a large sheet having data, that means a large blank page having information if they are arranged in rows and columns. Okay, if they are arranged in rows and columns are called your spreadsheet. Now I hope you all know what is rows and columns. You can see that one in the given picture. Okay, they are given in the picture. You can see in the picture, right? Okay. And then they can be manipulated and later on they can be calculated. Manipulated means you can change if there is some kind of a mistake later on. Okay, if you make some kind of a mistake, then later on you can easily change the data or the information. Okay, and then they can later on be used for calculation. Alright. Calculations means you can give some formula for finding out some specific numbers. Okay, like if you want to find the total marks or if you want to find a percentage or the division like that, you can find using calculations. Alright, now let's go to the third paragraph. It is given Microsoft Excel is one of the important softwares used to create spreadsheet. It is a part of Microsoft Office. We can make tabular form of data with rows and columns by using it. It contains formulae. Its functions are simple and understandable. It can be easily handled. Okay. Now in the third paragraph, it is pointing out that Microsoft Excel is one of the important software used to create spreadsheet. Okay, that means Microsoft software is one of that software that is very important for making a spreadsheet. Now spreadsheet, I've already told you that making of rows and columns, okay, making of rows and columns together is called our spreadsheet, isn't it? And then the Microsoft Excel, okay, the purpose of using Microsoft Excel is what? For making the spreadsheet only. Okay, that means Microsoft Excel is used for what? Making the data on the basis of a spreadsheet. Hence, it is an important software used for creating a spreadsheet. Alright. And then it is a part of Microsoft Office. Now, Microsoft Office, what are the other software that is included? Your MS Word or Microsoft Word is also a part of a Microsoft Office, isn't it? Same way, the Microsoft Excel is also a part of Microsoft Office. Okay. Then we can make tabular form of data and rows. We can make tabular form of data with rows and columns by using it. That means in the Microsoft Excel, we can make the table using the rows and columns in it. Okay, and then it contains many formulae. Formulae means there are lots of formulas in a Microsoft Excel. Now this formula is used for doing calculation in Microsoft Excel. Alright, calculations means like you can do addition, subtraction, and then you can find out the total number, and then you can find out the percentage. Okay, these are all the calculations that you can perform using the specific formulas. Okay, if there is no formula, if you don't use any kind of a formula in the Microsoft Excel, then it will become very difficult for us to use. Okay, or it will become very difficult for us to do the calculation. Alright. Its functions are simple and understandable. It can be easily handled. See, by using the formula, it makes us easy to do the calculations. Okay, like if you give the certain formula, say you want to do the addition and you want to find out the total number. Okay, for that you just simply give the formula to the computer, then the computer will automatically calculate the numbers and then it will give you the answer. Okay, so using formulas, it makes us easier for us to perform the specific task in Microsoft Excel. Okay, and then it is very easily handleable. That means using Microsoft Excel is very easy for us to handle and very easy to use. Okay,